Welcome to Mighty Build. Today, one man takes on the impossible challenge of building a fully custom Tesla-powered supercar from scratch. Starting with nothing but a bare tubular chassis, he transforms raw metal, powerful electric components, and endless determination into a breathtaking high-performance roadster, built to dominate both the streets and the racetrack. Every great build starts from the ground up, and this man's ambitious custom Tesla Roadster is no exception. With careful precision, he pieces together the front suspension, securing heavy-duty bolts and bright yellow coilover shocks to the bare tubular chassis. Then, he seals, drills, and rivets the custom floor and firewall panels, locking this powerful foundation firmly into place. Moving to stopping power, he equips the chassis with drilled rotors and a high-performance Wilwood master cylinder. He meticulously routes hard brake lines along the sleek black frame. After a young helper tests the wheel, the man masterfully preps and repaints the massive Tesla calipers, transforming them into a stunning, glossy yellow. Next, he expertly mounts a large aluminum radiator and vibrant red cooling fans. The build takes a complex turn as the man dives into the intricate electrical system, meticulously wiring red cables into custom relay boxes. With young helpers eager to assist, he tests glowing taillights, bright headlights, and amber turn signals, bringing the chassis to life. He carefully solders tiny green circuit boards and a start button, routing the intricate harness through the frame. The challenge then shifts to the heart of the beast, a massive Tesla drive unit resting on a pallet. With assistance, he slides the heavy motor beneath the sleek white bodywork, measuring clearances and leveling the subframe with absolute precision. To ensure flawless integration, he turns to 3D computer modeling, analyzing structural integrity before firing up his angle grinder. Sparks fly as he cuts steel tubing, donning a welding helmet to fuse new support bars directly over the electric motor. Despite a painful burn on his arm, his dedication never wavers. He expertly welds custom shock mounts, ultimately securing the powerful Tesla motor perfectly within the freshly painted black tubular chassis. The man designs a secure enclosure in computer software before fabricating a sturdy metal box for the power source. He carefully stacks multiple black battery modules, meticulously wiring each connection. After welding a custom support frame, he secures the silver battery cover and begins the daunting task of assembling the massive electrical harness. Joined by his young assistant, the man unpacks essential high-voltage components and a charging port. He uses a heavy-duty tool to crimp thick orange cables, meticulously building a complex board of fuses and relays. He carefully routes these vital power lines throughout the dark chassis. Finally, he takes a seat in the cockpit, powers up the digital dash, and tests the controls, proudly watching the axles spin as the electric drivetrain comes alive. He modifies and mounts sleek white racing seats into the cabin. Then, he unboxes stunning gray alloy wheels, wraps them in wide tires, and secures them to the hubs. The moment of truth finally arrives. Sitting proudly behind the steering wheel of his creation, the man powers up the digital dash. A wave of pure emotion washes over him, a triumphant laugh escaping as years of relentless hard work culminate in this single, incredible instance. The electric motor engages, and the bare tubular chassis smoothly rolls out of the garage, hitting the open pavement for its maiden voyage. He immediately shares this victory, taking his family and friends for the ride of their lives. The raw, instant torque of the custom electric drivetrain leaves his passengers screaming with absolute delight, their faces lighting up with wide, uncontrollable smiles. Then, the real testing begins. Taking the Agile machine to a snowy, empty parking lot, he unleashes the full potential of his engineering. Thick white smoke billows from the massive rear tires as he executes flawless burnouts and aggressive drifts, leaving dark rubber marks across the cold asphalt. From high above, sweeping drone footage captures the sleek frame carving beautifully through the winter streets. It is a stunning display of power, brilliant craftsmanship, and pure joy. The test drive proves the bare chassis is capable, but the man now faces the monumental task of shaping its true identity. He dives into extensive fiberglass work, carefully grinding and cutting massive white body panels to achieve the absolute perfect fit. With his family lending a hand, they lift the dramatic rear clamshell and front clip onto the frame, suddenly giving the vehicle its aggressive silhouette. He meticulously lays fresh fiberglass, sands the custom door inserts, and expertly wires a sleek center console equipped with electronic drive selectors. After a brief break to pet his loyal golden retriever, he mounts stunning custom scissor doors, beautifully transforming the raw skeleton into a striking, futuristic supercar. To refine the interior, he turns his attention to custom upholstery. Applying a textured, dark gray vinyl, he masterfully uses a heat gun to stretch and mold the material flawlessly over the complex curves of the fiberglass dashboard and center console. Reassembling the electronic controls, he finishes the sleek, professional cabin before beginning major wide-body modifications. The ambitious build enters a critical phase as the man embarks on major wide-body modifications. He meticulously layers blue painter's tape across the rear quarter panels, creating a protective base before applying custom fiberglass extensions. With incredible craftsmanship, he shapes and molds the dramatic new wheel arches, blending them flawlessly into the original lines. Hours of dedication are poured into sanding and smoothing the surface, applying layers of body filler to ensure a perfectly seamless, aggressive curve. Turning his attention to the front and rear clips, he utilizes cardboard templates to craft unique custom contours, further enhancing the supercar's aerodynamic profile. Then, he takes the freshly primed, stark white machine out for a thrilling drive through the snow-dusted streets, the widened stance turning heads at every corner. Returning to the garage, the meticulous work continues. He fine-tunes the rear section, installing custom taillight housings and a clever hidden charging port adorned with an electric fuel-only plaque. Obsessed with absolute perfection, he addresses minor imperfections in the vehicle's side profiles. He expertly applies fresh fiberglass and filler along the lower edges, painstakingly adjusting the tolerances to eliminate unsightly gaps. His brilliant effort ensures the custom scissor doors align beautifully with the rest of the sleek exterior bodywork, setting the stage to finally complete the finished interior. To finalize the sophisticated cabin, the man expertly integrates a high-tech digital display and an infotainment system. He meticulously wires the custom center console, even adding a playful eject button before proudly revealing the beautifully completed supercar interior. Elevating the visual appeal, he masters the art of hydro dipping. He carefully submerges custom trim pieces into a water bath, flawlessly wrapping them in a stunning carbon fiber pattern. These glossy accents add a brilliant, premium finish to the sleek machine. After testing the brilliant headlights at night, he trails the bare chassis for professional inspection and official registration. With the vehicle fully functional and the bodywork taking shape, the man takes his brilliant creation out onto the open highway. The sleek white roadster commands attention against the stunning mountain backdrop. After passing a meticulous professional inspection and proudly showcasing the electric powertrain, the car becomes the center of attention at a local auto show. Enthusiasts gather to admire the stunning craftsmanship. Finally, he embarks on a breathtaking scenic drive, celebrating his incredible engineering achievement. Unwilling to compromise, the man returns to the garage to perfect the body lines. He painstakingly applies fresh fiberglass and resin along the door seams, ensuring every tolerance is absolutely flawless. Then, he begins crafting a custom hardtop, molding a sleek roof scoop and laying fiberglass over carefully masked templates. This brilliant addition completely transforms the car's profile. After extensive shaping, he takes the aggressive, closed-cabin supercar for a spin, finally rewarding his loyal golden retriever with a well-deserved ride. With the bodywork complete, it is time for the ultimate transformation. The man constructs a makeshift paint booth right in his driveway. Donning a full protective suit and respirator, he meticulously sprays a smooth coat of gray primer over the raw fiberglass panels and the entire vehicle body. Then comes the true magic. He masterfully applies a vibrant metallic blue paint, instantly bringing the aggressive supercar to life. After the paint cures, he carefully removes the masking and begins the final assembly. He painstakingly mounts the glossy blue doors, the front clip, and the rear clamshell back onto the chassis, securing every perfectly aligned panel. Finally, the masterpiece is complete. He takes the stunning blue electric roadster out for a triumphant drive through the neighborhood at dusk, before hitting the fast open highway. The cinematic journey concludes with a breathtaking scenic drive through vibrant mountain roads, perfectly showcasing his incredible, fully realized dream machine. With the stunning blue paint cured and the body fully assembled, it is time to unleash the beast. The man takes his custom roadster to a real racetrack, putting his hard work to the ultimate test. Flying through tight corners and speeding down straightaways, the electric motor delivers massive, instant power. The wide, smooth body grips the track perfectly, proving this amazing machine is built for pure, thrilling speed. Seeking absolute perfection, the man masterfully overlays the center console and interior trim with genuine carbon fiber, delivering a stunning, high-performance finishing touch. Behold the final masterpiece. This stunning electric roadster is a true testament to one man's relentless dedication and engineering brilliance. He didn't just build a car, he forged a breathtaking work of art. If this incredible journey inspired you, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.